Monitoring your child's progress in Socrates is easy. When your child logs into the program, simply click on the treasure chest. Once you're in the treasure chest, you're going to select the student's progress map. The progress map is going to give you a summary of all of the things that your child has done while working in Socrates. At the very top, you'll see that it's going to tell you where your child needs help the most. In this example, it's with counting numbers on a tens frame from 20 to 100. As a parent, you can see this topic right now, or you can continue down the page and look at the rest of the information to decide if that's where you really want to focus. The legend right here is that a student has mastered what is blue, is working on what is white, and hasn't gotten to the part that is in gray yet within the platform. So right here you can see where the progress is within math. There's been no activity in the last 7 days. Had there been activity, you would have seen that on the bar graph here. And then when we look at math, it's divided up into different topics. If I want to know more detail about the topic of counting, I just need to click on it, and then you scroll down the page, and it's going to tell you every standard within counting and your child's progress within those standards. As you can see, counting numbers on a tens frame is an issue for this student with only 22% correct. If you were to select any of these topics, it would take that topic and put it in the practice area at the very top of the page. Let's go up and look at the counting. So now you can choose to practice this topic now. A question that is a sample will come up. If you're not sure how the topic is covered, there is an instructional video when you click this, and there's also a doodle pad that you can use, and it brings the problem up again so that you can actually write and practice with your student. And after you practice, if you'd like to see another question, you merely select Next Question, and another one will come up. If you'd like to change topics, you just need to go back down to the menu and select a different area to study. So that's the progress map and how you can check on your child's progress while they're working within Socrates.